Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever missed an important email or meeting reminder in Outlook, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to turn on notifications in Outlook, step by step, updated. By the end of this video, your Outlook will alert you instantly for every new message and calendar event, so you'll never miss a thing again. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Outlook.com, or simply search for Microsoft 365 Outlook on Google Log and using your Microsoft email and password. Once you're in, you'll see your inbox. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon. That's your settings menu. A sidebar will appear on the right. This is your quick settings panel. Now, scroll all the way down and click on View All Outlook Settings. This will open the full settings page. From here, select General and then click on Notifications. Inside the notification section, you'll see several options. To stay updated, make sure to toggle on alerts for new emails and calendar events. You can also choose whether to receive pop-ups, sound alerts, or desktop notifications, whatever suits your workflow best. Once you've made your selections, scroll to the bottom and click Save. This step is super important. If you skip saving, your settings won't apply. And that's it. Your Outlook notifications are now active. From now on, you'll get instant updates whenever a new email or event comes in. If you ever feel overwhelmed by too many alerts, you can always revisit the same menu to fine-tune or turn off specific notifications. So, there you go. You've just learned how to enable and customize Outlook notifications in under 2 minutes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss my future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.